Hey folks, so let's take a look at implementing slideshows within a page. Now I've created a demo page and basically added three sliders to it. We have slideshow number 2, then we have a text area, slideshow number 1, text area, and then also slideshow number 1, however with a different height setting, okay? So in terms of the backend, this is how things are set up. I have my header placeholder, and then slideshow 2, text block, slideshow 1, text block, and slideshow 1. In terms of the settings for these slideshows, they are somewhat similar, however, they do have a few differences. First of all, for slideshow number 2, we have the elements color that can be adjusted, and this is related to this area over here. So you can adjust that color if necessary. You can also choose whether or not you want to have this full width. Okay, and next you need to assign a slideshow to the slider that you're creating. So you select one of the following options, which you should have previously already created a slideshow within this area over here. Okay, then you can adjust the slideshow height and then also the gap between slides, and this is this white space over here. Okay, and then finally choose whether or not you want to display the numbered navigation, and this is these little numbers over here, and then also you can make the font adjustments if that is required to those numbers. Okay, in terms of slideshow number 1, the settings are a little bit different. First of all, we have the option to display the header. The header includes your logo and your menu navigation. Okay, so if your slider is located at the top of the page like we have within our demo, you want to make sure that you enable your navigation, but you also want to make sure that you disable the header placeholder. Otherwise you'll have two menus at the top. You'll have a menu with a white background, and then you'll have your slider underneath, and then the menu over the slider as well. Okay, so that's just something that you guys need to be aware of whenever working with slideshow number 1 specifically. Okay, next, let's see here. You can also choose whether or not you want to have it full screen, or if you want to assign a specific height. This is something that I've done with slideshow number 3 here. Okay, you can see that my height is different from this one, even though we are using the same slideshow number 1. So this height is adjusted to 500 pixels. Okay, and then in terms of the font adjustments, this is all pretty standard. Okay, for this specific slider, once again, everything's identical to the slideshow above. The only main difference is my slideshow height. Okay, so this really gives you guys the option to customize your layouts. Okay, so other than that, this is it for the following video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys around later.